Boost your immune system with garlic-infused honey. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a garlic-infused honey that will help boost your immune system and keep you healthy all winter long. Hey everyone, my name is Sasha, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an easy garlic-infused honey that will help keep your immune system strong all winter long. This recipe is really simple and only takes about 5 minutes to make. So stay tuned and I'll show you how it's done. But before we get started, please take a moment to smash the subscribe button to help us in our quest to reach 2,000 subscribers. Garlic has long been known for its powerful immune-boosting properties, and when combined with the antioxidants from raw honey, it can really pack a punch. Here's an easy-to-make recipe that will help you boost your immune system. Ingredients: 3 cloves of fresh garlic, finely chopped. 1 cup of raw honey. Instructions: place the garlic in a glass container or jar and pour the honey over it. Close the container or jar tightly and let it sit at room temperature for 24 hours. After 24 hours, strain the mixture through a fine sieve and discard the garlic pieces. Store the infused honey in an airtight container. It should last up to 1 month if kept at room temperature. Enjoy 1 teaspoon of your homemade garlic-infused honey every day for maximum effect. This simple yet effective recipe is sure to give your immune system a boost, so don't hesitate to give it a try. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to help us reach 2,000 subscribers, and then watch this video to the left of your screen.